Hello, myself Raksa Patel, working as an assistant professor in computer department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today we are going to learn about part 3 of this session. Today we discuss knapsack problem. Now, first of all, we see what is the knapsack problem. And the knapsack problem using dynamic approach, it is known as a 0-1 knapsack problem. Why it is known as a 0-1 knapsack problem? Because here we include the object whole as a object, otherwise we cannot include into the knapsack. That's why it is known as a 0-1 knapsack problem. Breakable object is not allowed in dynamic approach. Using the greedy method, we solve the knapsack problem in which the fraction of object is allowed. But in dynamic approach, we take the whole object. Otherwise, we cannot take it. So first of all, we see what is the knapsack. Knapsack is a one type of bag which carry the item. Knapsack problem using the dynamic approach. The knapsack can be defined as if there are n items with the weight of W1, W2 up to Wn and the value means profit associated with each item, that is V1, V2 up to Vn, and capacity of knapsack to be capital W. We have to find the most valuable subset of the item that fit into the knapsack. Okay. The main aim of knapsack is to fill the knapsack or bag in a such a way that maximizes the profit and does not exceed the capacity of knapsack. For that, we generate the table of V means values, in which we include the 1 to n means number of objects we include into the bag, and 0 to w means capacity of knapsack. Here we take for n is equal to 5 and capacity of knapsack is equal to 11. To generate the table, we have a 3 step. For that, the first step is for any value of I, if j is equal to 0, then we put it 0. If j is less than wi, then v of ij is equal to v of I minus 1 j. If j is greater than or equal to wi, then we select the maximum of v of I minus 1 to j, comma v of I minus 1 j minus wi plus vi. Vi means values. Now we solve the knapsack problem by one of the example. Here we take the 5 object. The value of weight of object number 1 is equal to 1 and value of that object is 1. Weight of second object is 2 kg and the value of that object is 6. And the third object has the weight is 5 kg and the value is 18. Weight of fourth object is a 6 kg and the value is 22. And the weight of fifth object is 7 kg and the value is 28. Now we solve it using dynamic approach. First of all, we design the table. For that, here we, in the row, we represent the weight and value. Here we include the 5 object with the weight of 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 and the value is 1, 6, 18, 22 and 28 respectively. And the column represent the knapsack capacity. Here capacity is 11. So we include the 12 columns in the table. Now first step is for any value of I, j is equal to 0, we include the 0. Now we make the first column 0. Okay, we include here 0. Now in the second column, here the knapsack capacity is 1 kg and the weight of object 1 is 1 kg and value of that object is 1 rupees. So we here include the value is 1. Same way, here we have a 2 options. weight 1 and weight 2, but knapsack capacity is 1, so we include only 1 kg weight in 1 kg bag, so we cannot include the other weights. That's why we write here 1 rupees values. In the this table we include the values of associated object. Now in the second column, capacity of bag is a 2 kg, and the first row, item number 1 has a weight is 1 kg and value of that object is 1. So we write here 1. Okay. Now in the second row, we have a 2 object with a weight of 1 kg and 2 kg. But the capacity of bag is a 2 kg. So we include the second object here. And the value of second object is 6 rupees. So we write here 6. Now in the third column, same way, we have an option, but capacity of bag is only 2 kg. So we include only one object with a weight of 2 kg and the value of that object is 6 rupees. So we write here 6. Now in the third column, here capacity of bag is a 3 kg. So here we have a one option only. So we include the one item with the weight of 1 kg and value of that item is 1 rupees. So we write here 1. Similarly, capacity of bag is 3 kg and we have a two choice here with a weight of 2 kg and weight of 1 kg. And the value we include here both object because the capacity of bag is 3 and the value of these two object is 6 plus 1 is 7. So we write here 7. In the further also we write here 7. We have an option but capacity of bag is only 3 kg. That's why we write here only, we include only two object with the weight of 1 kg and 2 kg. So write here 7. Now in the fourth column, in the first row, we have only one item with the weight of 1 kg and value of that object is 1. So we write here 1. Further, we have an option here, two objects with a weight of 1 kg and 2 kg. And value of that object is 1 plus 6 is 7. We write here 7. Now we have a further option, but capacity of bag is only 4. So we cannot include 5, 6 and 7. We include only two objects with the weight of 1 kg and 2 kg and value of that object is 1 plus 6 is 7. So we write here 7. Now in the column number 5, it is in row number 1, we have a one item with the weight of 1 kg and value of that item is 1 rupees. So here we write 1. Similarly, we have a capacity of bag is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. But in the first row we have only one item. So we include only one item in the bag and the value of that is 1. So here we write 1, 1, 1, 1. Now in the column 2, in column 5, capacity of bag is 5 and in the row 2. So we have a 2 option and we have a 2 item with the weight of 1 kg and 2 kg. So we include here 2 item in the bag because the capacity of bag is 5 kg. So we include the 3 kg items in the 5 kg bag. So profit is 1 plus 6 is 7. Now in the third row, fifth column, we have a 3 items with the weight of 1 kg, 2 kg and 5 kg. But the capacity of bag is 5 kg. So here we include the one item with the 5 kg and value is 18. So here we write 5. Similarly in I equal to 4, capacity of bag is 5 kg but include we here one item 5 kg. So profit is 18. Now in I equal to 5 also we include one item with the weight of 5 kg and profit is 18. Now in the sixth column, capacity of bag is 6. So here we include the two items with the weight of 1 kg and 2 kg. So profit is 7. Now in the next row we have a 3 item with the weight of 1 kg, 2 kg and 5 kg. We have a capacity of bag is 6. So we include the 2 item with the weight of 5 kg and 1 kg. So profit is 1 plus 18 is 19. Now in the next we have a fourth item with the weight of 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg and 6 kg. Now we have a choice with two choice. We can include the one item with the weight of 6 kg and we can include the two item with the weight of 1 and 5 here. So 1 plus 5 6, but the profit of including the two item, that is 1 and 5, that is 6. So profit is 18 plus 1 is 19. And here we include only one item, item number 4, whose weight is 6 and price is 22. So we include the one item with the weight of 6 whose price is 22. We cannot include here two items with the weight of 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 also. But profit is only 1 and 18, 90. So we include the item which gives the highest profit. So we include here item number 4 and profit is 22. Now next also we include here one item. Capacity of bag is 6 kg. So we include item number 4 and profit is 22. Now in the next column capacity of bag is 7. So we include here one item, here two item with the weight of 1 and 2 kg. So profit is 7. Now next we include here three item, two item, because item number 2 and item number 3, 5 plus 2 is 7. So 18 plus 6 is 24. So here we include the two item with the weight of 2 and 5 kg. Now in the next also we include the two item here. Here we have a choice 6 plus 1. Item number 4 and item number 1. 6 plus 1 is also 7, but profit is 23. And item number 2 and 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. Profit is 24. We include the item with the highest profit. So we include item here 2 plus item number 2 and 3 with the profit of 24. Now the capacity of bag is 7. In the row 5 we include here item number 5. Weight is 7. So profit is 28. We also here choice because 6 plus 1 is also 7, but profit is 23. And also here 5 plus 2 is 7, but profit is 24. So we include here the item with the highest profit. Here we include the item number 5 with a profit of 28. Now in the column number 8, row 1 we include the one item. Here we include the two item with the weight of 1 kg and 2 kg. So profit is 7. Now here capacity of bag is 8. So include here three item. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So 18 plus 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So include here three item because the capacity of bag is 8. So profit is 28. Now at the I equal to 4 we have a two choice with the object of 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. Item number 2 and item number 4, but the profit is 22 plus 6 is 28. And the second choice is item number 1, 2 and 3. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8, but the profit is 28. 18 plus 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So we include here item number 2 and 4 with the profit of 28. So here we write 28. Now in the next at I equal to 5 we have a three choice because the capacity of bag is 8. Here 7 plus 1 is 8, but the profit is 29. Now W2 and W4, 6 plus 2 is 8. So profit is 28. And the third choice is W1, W2 and W3. Also 8. 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 is 8, which gives profit 25. This give a 25. This last and 1 give 29, and W5 and W1 give 29. So here we include the item with W5 and W1 with a profit of 29. Now in the column 9, here we include the one item only, here we include the two item, here we include the three item. Because capacity of bag is 9, we have a three item with a weight of 1, 2 and 5 kg. Now at I equal to 4, capacity of bag is 9. So we include the, so we have a included three object with 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So profit is 22 plus 6 is 28 plus 1 is 29. Now at I equal to 5, we have a two choice. First is object 5 and object 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2, object 5 and object 2. Object 5, that is 7 plus 2, that is 9. 28 plus 6 is 34. And the second choice is 1, 2 and 4 with the weight of 1, 2 and 4. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And the profit is 1 plus 6 plus 22, that is 29. But the first choice, that is object number 5 and object number 2, it gives the highest profit, that is 24. Now in the column number 10, here we include the one item, here we include the two item because capacity of bag is 10. Here we include the three item because capacity of bag is 10. Now at I equal to 4, we include with the weight of 1, 2 and 6, that is 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 11, 6 plus 5 is 11, so we cannot include here because capacity of bag is 10. So we include the 6 plus 2, that is 8 plus 1 is 9. So profit is 1 plus 6 plus 22 is 29. At I equal to 5, we have a three object with object 1, 2 and 5. So 1, 2 and 5. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, that is 10. The profit is 1 plus 6 plus 28. So profit here 35. Now at the column 11, in the first row we include one item, second row we include two items, and third row we include three items with the profit of 25. At I equal to 4, we include the two objects with the weight of 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. The capacity of bag is also 11. So include here two items with the profit of 22 plus 18 is 40. At I equal to 5, also we include the two item here. 5 plus 6 is 11. Here we cannot include 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13 and 7 plus 5 is a 12. So we cannot include because it exceeds the capacity of bag. So we include here two items with the 5 and 6 weight. So profit is 24. Now we earn the profit of 40 rupees. But next thing is how to find which object is carried into the bag. Now start looking of table. V of 511 is equal to V of 411. See here, V of 511 is equal to V of 411. Yes. Now, so not include the object 5. Now next, V of 411 is not equal to V of 311. So we include the object 4. V of 35 is not equal to V of 25. So we include the object 3. But V of 20 is equal to V of 10 and V of 10 is equal to V of 00. So we cannot include the object 2 and 1. See in the table. So here we carry the two object number 3 and object number 4 with the weight of 5 and 6. So The optimal value is 40 rupees with the object is 3 and 4. Here we include the two object number 3 with the weight 5 and object number 4 with the weight 6, and profit is 40 rupees. Now here we give the example, solve yourself using dynamic approach. Thank you.